Amar, Akbar and Anthony are three friends who are looking to play a game of Monopoly during the lockdown. While Amar and Akbar are roommates, Anthony is in his hometown in another state. Amar logs on to play MonopolyOnline.com in his laptop and creates a game room. He then shares the game ID with Akbar and Anthony so that they can also join the game. With that game ID, Anthony first opens a board view on his iPad as is in a different location and he needs to view the Monopoly board. He then opens a player view on his mobile phone by keying in the same game ID. This will be for game control. Amar and Akbar also open the player view on their mobile phone browser. Amar starts the game by clicking the roll dice button on the mobile phone browser page. And thus the game starts without any installation or sign-ups. To play, log on to play MonopolyOnline.com.